Imagine you visit this nice spot that you enjoyed, and you enjoyed it so much that you decide you'd definitely be revisiting, only for you to realize that the place has been demolished. This is the good beach. Well, the good beach, the landmark beach, basically all the beaches we have in Lagos Island. It was demolished by the federal government for the Lagos to Calabar Highway project. And the sad twist to this whole thing is that they later disembarked on using the land because they found submarine cables that they didn't see before. My heart just goes out to all the developers that spent multi-millions to make that place into a booming business. It's really just sad to see. Anyways, let's just get into what I call the last of the good beach. Happy birthday in the comments. We're currently on our way to the good beach for Testimony's birthday. Harry, say hi now. Hi. Look at my pretty sister. You guys, she's so rude. Look how she's covering the camera. This is what I don't like about the beach. Your hair is always going to be all over the place. I said, why didn't we like American songs or something? I don't know for them. But we're going to be here till like probably 4 or 5. Because I just want to relax, you know, look at the ocean.
I feel the sunset.
Look at the ocean. She wants to see the sunset. She's been telling me we should stay here till evening. Because I said you didn't bring the other one.
I want you to reward me, you know. Even beach run, they don't allow it, but I said no, I want my course. I want it to be inside here. Take it for a special person.
No problem.
All right.
I appreciate
I'm still at arm's length. Anything you want.
So is this the train? Please go back. Yeah. Hi, my name is Deputy. What's your name? I'll ask you the question.
had such a fun time. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did. Happy birthday to myself.
See your mouth, see your mouth. Everybody wish happy birthday in the comments. Love you too.